there, little artists! Are you ready for a jolly art adventure? Today, we're going to create something magical, a snowy wonderland captured in a snow globe. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's dive right in. We'll start by drawing the outline of our snow globe. First, a nice, big circle. This will be our magical window into a winter wonderland. Now, let's add the base, making sure our snow globe has something to stand on. Next, let's create the snowy ground inside the globe, a sandy layer to build our wintry scene upon. And now, our snowman. A jolly friend right in the center of our wintry world. And how about a Christmas tree to add some festive cheer? Let's decorate the tree, add some baubles, and make it shine bright. Now, let's bring the scene to life, falling snow around the tree and the snowman. Time to make that sandy layer more lifelike, adding dots for texture. And for our base, let's add some love with hearts and delicate snowflakes. Make those outlines bold and sharp with your black marker to make our globe pop. Now, it's time to add some color to our wintry wonderland.
Cool!
Are you ready to name some colors? Bottle green color. Light green color. Red color. Yellow color. Gray color. Brown color. Dark brown color. Red color. Blue color. Red color. Orange color. Ocean blue color. Blue color. Cream color. Blue color. Sea green color. Pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. Pink color. Look at our marvelous snowy creation.
Awesome!
I'm so proud of your fantastic work. Remember, keep exploring your creativity, and don't forget to share your wonderful art with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and have a magical holiday season. Bye for now, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.